Welcome back to Canvas Classics. So we had a viewer request, something that we could do. As you can see, there's still a lot of snow here and it's still not above 50 degrees. I'm not wearing my coat, but we're used to that kind of a temperature here. But we had a request from one of our viewers that they wanted to see our tow vehicle, and so we can accomplish that at this time. And so what we've got here is our tow vehicle. It's a 2002 Chevrolet 2500. It's green. It is dirty. We apologize for that, but we haven't, still winter, we haven't got it out to wash it yet. Wanted to show you this. So it is the Vortec 8100. You can see here the 8100. This is the same engine that Matt has in his world's largest off-road tow truck. It's a gas engine built to handle the torque and horsepower like a diesel engine. It pulls trailers. The difference is the fuel mileage versus the diesel. Diesels get great fuel mileage. This gets 12 to 15 without a trailer, 7 to 9 with a trailer. But it's the Vortec 8100 with the Allison transmissions automatic. Okay, follow me around. So, as I said, it's a 2002. It only has maybe 60,000 original miles. We've owned it since new. Basically, for most of its life, it's had a trailer behind it. It's a crew cab, gray leather interior, the green. We do have gooseneck ball in the back with, of course, the lights in the back. Plug for that. And then we do have, these are custom 4x4 Silverado stickers that one of the people my dad worked with made for him. It does have pinstriping on it. That's kind of a more subtle green on green with the multicolor in the ends there. But that is basically our tow vehicle. It's what we used to pull our trailers. It does have the trailer hitch for a tow behind as well as the gooseneck. But that is our tow vehicle. Again, it's a 2002 and an 8100 with maybe 60,000 original miles. So it's in very good shape, no dents, no rust. Just a very nice vehicle. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.